historic impeachment trial of suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton. That trial is underway. Now he faces 16 articles of impeachment that accuse him of bribery, dereliction of duty, and disregard of official duty. ABC 7's Liloba Tseitsiro is following the trial and brings us the details. Liloba.
Yes, Stephanie, the day began with Paxton pleading not guilty to each one of those 16 articles of impeachment against him. Now, this morning, Democrats in the state Senate, along with 12 Republican members, rejected a motion to dismiss the articles of impeachment. They said there was no evidence, basically. But once opening statements got underway, House impeachment managers outlined what they said was a pattern of deceit and alleged crimes committed by Paxton as he sought to help a donor friend of his. They alleged that Paxton basically turned the keys of the Attorney General's office to his friend Nate Paul, who returned the favor by helping Paxton hide an alleged affair. They claimed that Paul paid for Paxton's home renovations and that there's evidence that Paxton used burner phones or secret emails to communicate. Now, Paxton's attorneys fired back by saying the case is really just a whole lot of nothing, and they will show evidence disproving all those claims. Here's some of that interaction in the courtroom.
You all provided us with an hour to make an opening statement, but we prefer to yield back the rest of that time to the most important folks that will show up in this room, the witnesses.
Remember, the burden of proof. It's not we throw out allegations and you say, oh, that sounds sexy, I'm voting for impeachment. They have to prove their case by the numbers beyond a reasonable doubt. They won't be able to do that.
Now, Paxton was in the courtroom in the morning, but he didn't come back after lunch. So prosecutors asked, well, where is he? They argued that he should have been required to appear as any defendant would in a criminal trial. But Paxton's lawyer, Tony Busby, you just saw him there, he argued that the rules don't require Paxton to stay the entire day once he has entered his not guilty plea, basically. Liloba Tseitsiro, ABC 7.
Okay, very interesting, Liloba. Thank you.